welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to actually pack my cosmetic case with you because, as I mentioned, I will be away for a month with my kids. We're going to Poland. We're going to visit my family, my husband's family. So this is something we've planned for a long time, and my kids are so excited to go. And yeah, I thought I'm just gonna show you and we're just gonna kind of pack together my makeup. This is usually what I use when I go on vacation or the trips. I use this cosmetic case. This is true, I think it's called a Trousseau. I might be mispronouncing it, don't mind me. 28, so this is pretty large, and I've got this pre-owned years and years and years and years ago. It was like, it's still in excellent condition. You know, it's one of those very sturdy old Louis Vuitton, you know, canvases. I love it. So basically this is a perfect size for my makeup. I usually take my makeup in my carry-on because I just cannot have my makeup gone, you know, or something happen to it. So you know, more liquidy stuff, like a bigger, if I want to take like a big bottle of foundation, I'll put into my, you know, check-in baggage. But 99.9% of my makeup will be in this cosmetic case, and as you can see, it's a very pretty cosmetic case, and has some like nice elastics, you know, to put your little, you know, more fragile things. Has a little pocket in here, and it says Louis Vuitton right there, made in France. And yeah, it's pretty remarkable condition for how old this piece is, and it's just is serving me so well. The lady that I purchased from, she was so sweet. She said, like, I bought it and I use it once and I never use it again, so she just sold it to me, and I'm very happy. You know, I got a good price on it, like I said, years and years and years ago. So anyway, I'm gonna take the camera down and I'm gonna show you what I'm taking with me. If you like this kind of a video, then keep watching, and we're gonna play with some makeup. Okay guys, so this is pretty much my entire setup here. I kind of collected the things that I'm gonna take with me, and I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So my cosmetic case is right in here, so I'm just gonna pack as we go. So starting with the face stuff, I'm gonna take this primer because I have been really enjoying it recently, and I featured this in my May favorites. So I think because it's very hydrating and I really like it, so I'm gonna take this primer. And I'm not sure if I probably will have to put this in the little separate, like a baggie, because I guess this is considered liquid. But for now I'm just gonna put it here because that's, you know, that's how it's gonna ultimately look once I, you know, once I get there. But I think, yeah, this and probably the foundation I'll have to remove to the separate container. I'm also gonna take the It Cosmetics CC cream with me, and this is in the color Fair. Just when I feel, you know, when I have those days that I just don't feel like putting a lot of foundation, I can just use this. So I'm just gonna put it in here as well. And then, okay, for the foundations, I'm probably overdoing it, but I'm gonna take my Chanel because I have been really enjoying recently this foundation. So I'm gonna take this, and I decided to take Clé de Peau foundation because, I don't know, sometimes I just feel like using, you know, kind of different foundation, and I feel like Juvia's is quite similar, and I like the results because it's so full coverage, so it doesn't weigh a lot. So I'm gonna take all of these with me, and even if I have to put this in a separate baggies, that's fine because they are small. You know, the liquids, you can keep it up to like 100 mils, so even big CC cream, it will still be okay to carry, you know, as a carry-on, in my carry-on. So I'm gonna put those in here as well. And then as my concealer, I'm just gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, it's my fave. It always works good. So I'm just gonna take it and put it in here. Of course, I'm taking two beauty blender. This is the beauty blender. This one is, I think this is the Morphe, but it's also really good. So I'm gonna take this as well. I'm gonna put this here on the bottom. All right, so this is what we have so far. Okay, and now I have a little dilemma because I feel like I'm probably gonna take too much stuff, but I'm gonna start with the face stuff. So last time I went to Poland, I forgot to take this, and this is my contour. Like, I like to contour a little bit of my nose and sometimes cheeks. This is Kevin Aquan contour in light. I think this is old packaging. I think it might be coming in new packaging these days, but I'll try to link everything what I'm showing you guys below so you can go check it out. So I'm gonna take this because I do not want to forget it. This is the Hourglass. I think this was the limited edition, if I'm correct, but so I'm double guessing if I should take this or not. I mean, I like the fact that I'll have two blushes in here. There's a little bit of the bronzer. This is the highlighter. This powder is a little dark. This powder is better for me, but I am not sure because I'm taking other bronzers as well. So let me double check. I'm just gonna put it for now, and if I have to take it off, I will. I'm also taking this Hourglass little palette, and I think this one is still available, although I have mine for a very, very, very long time. And as you can see, I hit the pen already in here. Those are beautiful kind of setting powders, and like in this one I can almost use as a bronzer, but they look so beautiful on the face. I do have like a full size of those, but I always use this trio as my travel, so I'm gonna take this with me for sure. So I'm gonna put it right there. So this is how we are looking so far, and then I probably have to make a decision. I'm taking another 3 bronzers. So this one is a Sicily. It's absolutely stunning, you guys. This bronzer, as you can see, I use it quite a bit. This bronzer is just stunning. I feel like it looks beautiful on everyone. This is one of my newest one. This is the Tom Ford. And I bought like a smaller version of that bronzer. This is in the color Terra 02. It's really, really pretty. So I like this one as well. And I'm kind of justifying taking it all because it's small. And I probably don't need this one. This is one of my all-time fave. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And this one is in the color Light. So, and then I'm not sure if I should take this, but I really like this blush. But I literally have it for so long, but you just need a little bit of this, and it just looks so beautiful on the face. So I think I'm just gonna go for it. And then my setting powder, this is the La Mer. This is the one that I've got during the last VIB sale. This is from the La Mer, and I have it in a color Translucent 02. Love, 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 love. But then sometimes I also need like a loose powder. Sorry, this one is so dirty. So this is my Dior loose powder. It's in the 001. I think this one is still available. This is actually really nice powder, and it's not very big. But what I did, you guys, I took the little sifter that was on top here. I just ripped this because I just could not get to the product. It was just driving me nuts. So I know it's gonna look a little messy, but at least I can kind of dip my beauty blender in here, and it just works better for me. So sorry, Dior. I had to get rid of the sifter. It was just not good. All right, so I got this so far in here. I forgot to mention, I'm gonna also take my Professional. I like to use it around my nose area, so I'm gonna take this as well. All right, and now we're gonna talk about the eyeshadows. So originally I was thinking to take my Biba palette, Natasha Denona Biba palette, but I think I changed my mind, and I probably have too much, but let's just go over it. So the first one is my newest baby. This is the Dior palette in Dream. It's beautiful. Those are all matte colors, and they are just stunning. And you know, you always need some matte colors, so you cannot go wrong with this. I'm gonna take that. Then I really like this. I have been so much into this recently. So this is the Huda Mauve Obsession. I think they changed the like the packaging. I think those colors now comes in different packaging, but as you can tell, I love this color. It's just so beautiful on the eye. And I love this one, mainly I use this 3 and a little bit of the dark, so I can always have like a very nice eye look with this. So I'm just gonna take those with me. And then I probably don't need this because it's very similar. This is the Natasha Denona. Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave those. Eyeshadow palette 5, or is it palette number 2? I don't know, go figure. If I find it, I'll link it down below for you guys. But see, I'm always gravitating towards those kind of rosy eyeshadows, and this one looks like it's breaking, so maybe I should just leave those alone at home. But these are very beautiful. And I'm gonna be taking this. This is the Sin from Urban Decay. This is really good, very nice eyeshadow as like a topper, just if I need to brighten the lid a little bit. I love this one, so I'm just gonna take it as a little single baby. All right, and then 2 more kind of eye products. I have a Stila. This is a Cloud. If I need a little bit more shimmer on my eye, this is what I'm gonna use. And as you can see, I use it quite a bit because it's almost empty. So and then this is Charlotte Tilbury. This is one of those eye sticks. Look how beautiful it is. How stunning. And again, this will give me like a little bit, you know, different spin, and I can use it with my Dior shadows or yeah, it says for blue eyes. I have a blue eyes. This is the Champagne Diamond. So beautiful. So I'm gonna take those 2 as well. And then this is my eyeshadow primer. I really like this one. This is by Bare Minerals. Love it. So this has to go with me. And then couple more things I have in here. So my favorite mascara, you guys know, it's Chanel Volume de Chanel. I'm gonna take my liquid Tom Ford eyeliner. Love it. And then I'm gonna take my YSL brown liner. I have to take the, I forgot to pack the sharpener as well, so I'm gonna do that later. And then I'm gonna take a Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. This is one of my favorite for the bottom lash, of course. I'm gonna take the Dior. This is the brow styler, and it's just such a universal color. It just suits everybody. It's just perfect. Has a little spoolie here at the end, so I'm gonna take this. And every once in a while I like to have a little brow powder, so I'm gonna take this as well. This is the Anastasia medium brow, so yeah, I'm gonna take this with me as well. So this is where we are right now. This is how my cosmetic case looks like. And I have a few more lip things that I'm gonna pack in here, but probably the rest of the lipstick will go in my you know, my handbag. This is the lip balm by Terry Rose. I think they call it Rose the Balm. It's such a nice, you know, moisturizing balm, and this is a kind of mini size, so that's perfect for travel. This is Tom Ford Casablanca, and also this is like a mini lipstick. This is so beautiful, so I'm just gonna put it in here for special occasion. One of my favorite, Syrup by MAC. You cannot go wrong with the syrup. This is just stunning, so I'm gonna take this. And of course the Chanel 764. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. It's amazing. And then the very last one I'm gonna also pack is the Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss. I know Lorac is no longer, you know, in stores in Ulta, but oh my god, this lip colors, you guys, is to die for. I love this so much. So what color is that? Goddess. Oh my god, look at this. Look how beautiful. So I'm gonna take this too, because, and it says lip gloss, but it's really more like, you can see how opaque it is. It's like a cream. Love it, love it, love it. So there we go. So not too bad. I still have quite a bit of the space. All right, I'm pretty good. I'm gonna zip it up and let's see how it all gonna look. There we go. It is pretty heavy though. Yeah, but I'm just gonna put this in my carry-on, and the liquid, you know, the foundation, I'll probably have to put in the little baggie, so hopefully they're not gonna give me a hard time. But yeah, it looks a little messy, but hey, this is all I need. Okay guys, so this is it. We are all packed and ready to go. I hope you enjoy this kind of a content. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And probably by the time you watch this, I will be already on my vacation. So I will talk to you soon. Bye!